time with people who do bad things?
The religious leaders wondered. So Jesus told them a story about God's love. This is how it went. A man had 2 sons. The younger son asked for the money he would get when the father died. Heartbroken, the father gave his younger son half of his property. Did the religious leaders understand why Jesus spent time with people who had done bad things? The son moved to a distant country. He wasted all the money. Then a famine came, and he had to feed pigs. He wished he could eat the pigs' food. My father's servants do better than this, he thought. I'll return home and admit that I have sinned against him and God. Maybe he'll make me one of his servants. The son went home. While he was still far away, his father ran to him and hugged him. "I'm not worthy to be your son," he told his father. The younger son admitted that he had sinned by leaving his father and wasting his money. "Bring my son my best robe," the father told his servants. "Put a ring on his finger. Roast our fattest calf. My boy was lost, and now he's found." The older son was angry when he heard about the celebration. "It's not fair," he complained. "I work faithfully and get nothing. He wastes your money and gets a party." "All that's mine is yours," the father replied. "Your brother was dead. Now he's alive. He was lost. Now he's found. So what can we do but celebrate? In Jesus' story, which person loved the younger son so